AB Top 20 Best Small Business Ideas for Beginners. Starting a small business can be overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can also be highly rewarding. The key is to start small, minimize expenses, and focus on profitability before expanding. So let's dive into the top 20 small business ideas that are beginner-friendly. One yoga center. Help people stay healthy and fit by offering yoga classes and wellness programs. 2. Catering business. Provide a delicious food for events, parties, and corporate gatherings. 3. Travel agency people. Love to travel. This industry never slows down. Help them book hotels, flights, and tours. 4. Fast food shop. Set up a quick service restaurant with high quality and tasty food. 5. Chocolate cafe. Who doesn't love chocolate? Open a specialty cafe and turn chocolate into our profits. 6. Fitness programs. Start personal training sessions or group fitness classes to help people stay in shape. 7. One-product restaurant. Focus on one unique food item and master it. 8. Cybersecurity services. Help businesses protect their websites from hackers, malware, and cyber threats. 9. Data backup services. Offer a secure and reliable way for individuals and companies to store and retrieve their data. Surveillance camera business. Security cameras are in high demand. Sell and install them for homes and businesses. 1 massage therapy business. Offer relaxing massage services. A booming industry with high profit margins. 2. Home improvement and handyman services. Hammer and wrench. People always need repairs, fix things, remodel homes, and provide handyman services. 3. Children's educational services. Start a tutoring center or an online education platform for kids. 4. Software and app development. If you have tech skills, develop apps and software to solve real-world problems. 5. Consulting services. Use your work experience to advise businesses and charge premium fees. 6. Auto and machinery spare parts business. Sell car parts and machinery components. A profitable business, especially in urban areas. 7. Professional car washing. 8. Internet service provider. Provide a fast and affordable internet services. This industry is always growing. 9. Furniture business. Hire skilled carpenters and sell custom-made furniture. 20. Bottled water production. Pure water is always in demand. Start a filtered water supply business. Final thoughts. Thousands of people have great business ideas, but don't know where to start. The good news? Resources and support are available to help new entrepreneurs succeed. Which business idea excites you the most? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more business tips.